Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Do you know that there's a feature called engineering mode that you can use to test every tool in your phone without actually opening the phone? This is like an after sale test that you can use to check if the phone is original from the acclaimed manufacturer. So in this method, I'm going to show you how to access your phone engineering mode without opening your phone. Here we are going to use to check everything about the phone, like the phone camera, the phone headset, the phone battery, the phone network, the location, satellite, everything about the phone. So let's get started, guys. Go to your phone, and here you're going to access the engineering mode via the emergency section. Go to the emergency section and dial this code star hash 899 hash. So dial the code star hash 899 hash, and it will take you to this section. So you can see after sales page. The following is for debugging purposes only. So you can see the following information available: product information, GPS, automatic scan, manual scan or test, software version, check IMEI number or IMEI info, the PCB number, back cover color, after sale devices calibration, after sale tools, and device appearance. There are so many options available in each of these features. For instance, a product information is what you can easily find out in any phone. So just use a QR code scanner to scan this. So this one are the basic one. I will show you the advanced one. If you go to GPS, under GPS, you will need to turn on your device location, which I think I've turned it on. It's on. So here, allow location service to access this location device. Tap only this time. So once you do that, you can see that you have two features here. The following is for debugging purposes only, don't forget. So GNSS after sales toolbox. The first one is to detect the satellite close to you, and the first one is to detect the second one, sorry, is to detect network jammer close to you. So tap on satellite detect. So you can start the test here to detect the satellite close to you. So you can see the available time. Now, if you are not conversant with this, don't worry. So here you can detect satellite that are close to you, just like you scanning your TV decoder and any other satellite product. So if you are done scanning, just come here and tap stop scan. So in the process of scanning, this is the satellite we've been able to come up with. So after that, go back. Still under the GPS, let's go back to the GPS. Select to see if you can find any jamming detector. So here you can see GNSS jamming detecting. Please place your phone to a daily used location. So this, you need to place your phone to a particular location where you do receive your signal, but we are not going deeply into that. So I'm going to show you manual test before the automatic test. If I go to manual test, everything in manual test, you find it in the automatic test. For instance, you see assembly test project, device debugging, camera, media debugging, WCN, communication debugging, and others. So everything contained in this manual test, you also have it in the automatic test. But the difference is that automatic, once you tap the automatic test, it debugs them one after the other. But for manual, you are given the option to do it yourself. So for instance, under assembly test project, let's go to screen unit test. So depending on the time, I may not wait for it to give us the screen unit test. It may take some time. So you are going to see the result of the screen unit test. Let's go back. headset test, you need to insert an headset. So let me insert this headset right here. So as you can see, I've inserted an headset and it's playing. So all this, I'm doing this while the phone is not on. And even when your phone is on, another thing you need to understand is that you need to enter into the developer's mode, which can be very technical in some phone. But here you don't need any technicality. It's just within your reach by dialing *899# and you get into the engineering mode. So let's go back. So go to device debugging. You see a lot of features here. So you can see fingerprint test. I don't want to go into that. You can see keypad test. If I press the volume up, that's to say it's working. I press the volume down, it goes off. I press the power button, it goes off. That's to say the keypads are working. Vibration test. If I tick this, the phone vibrates. That's to say the vibration is working. If I do touch screen, handwriting, so that's to say it's working. You can see this. Verification, touchscreen auto test. So let's go to another one. Charge test. Okay, I need to input a charger. G sensor, like phone angle, portrait, landscape. For instance, I say G sensor. So as you can see, it's censoring it. So you have a lot of things here. You can also check if the camera is working, which that's a basic one. You can also debug your media. You can check for echo, single mic recording test, mic test, receiver test, media test, LCD test. There are so many things here. So let's go out of the manual test and go to the software version. Software version is what you can easily get from your phone settings. Check IMEI info. You can easily get this one by dialing *#06#. Then let me show you another one called PCB number. Now phone PCB number is the printed circuit board. PCB means printed circuit board, which is the unique circuit board identifier printed on a phone. So this is the PCB number of your phone, which is the circuit board number of your phone. You can as well use a QR scanner to scan to check the authenticity. So the good part here is that you can check if this phone is original from the manufacturer. So you can also see device appearance. Please visually inspect the appearance component of the following equipment. So this one is manual. There are so many things inside this phone, especially under the manual test, that we've not touched. So guys, go ahead and check what we've not debugged here and make sure you debug to check if your phone is original. Thanks guys for watching. Please hit the like button to support the video and also subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in my next video.